Dito kayo din.
Nakaturo.
Dito kayo?
Ah, sorry.
Ito yung camera.
ग्लास और कवर लिख देते हैं कवर एक लिखे ग्लास कवर मोबाइल ग्लास
कवर लिख दो
ग्लास कवर
May mic?
वो एक साइज वो स्पेसिफिकेशन है ग्लास
Ano yung apple bundle?
Hindi, yan yung ano lang. Yan, ganyan mami. Oh, yan na. Yan nga mamiging. Nasira na yung last time na dito eh. Yun na. Ano nilagay yun? Ay, ito pa rin mga projector.
Hindi alam ko saan yung nilagay
Kuya, you have a...
Apple pencil. Apple pencil.
Apple pen
How much original?
Stylus.
Apple. Oh, naku, I don't know. Ay,
Stylus.
Parang generation.
iPad 2? I don't know, I
Oh,
forgot.
iPad 1. Original.
Hindi parang pa doon 10th generation or 9th generation.
on any model. Different pa rin yung mga This is the original.
Magkano ba?
A universal.
Magkano, baby?
This is for all. Ito daw any device na kami oh.
That's universal.
Please. This one, can I see?
Yung answer daw 120. This one original, universal.
No, universal?
Ayun yung universal. Dito ka na lang siguro.
How much last price? 90? Maybe 90?
Anchor pa yan
Oh, 100.
Mom, are we getting this?
I'll pay cash 100 na, kuya.
Mom, are we
Huh?
getting this?
Kano ba yan?
120 ko na.
Mom, are we getting this?
Pila na ba? Kasi may pangalan yan eh. Mas
Anchor yan eh
Kasi palit mo yan.
Oh, what are we getting?
Asa mo 100 mo? Give me 100.
I gave the Tata.
May 100 ka pa?
May apple na ganito.
Oh.
Mommy, I don't want to waste it.
Cash 100? Anchor? Hindi. Cash wala sa akin.
Baby, can I see?
Ano po,
Hindi ko mababa. Teka muna, mabibili pa kayo para isang...
universal remote control. We have this 7 series.
Saan nangyari, Jack? Siya, ano, Jack?
Pagsak na lang kayo.
Medyo ka pang Samsung.
Mom, we're getting this, right?
Lagyan mo muna doon.
Hold it.
Yay!
Nabayaran pa natin yan.
Ay, dati charge lang din yan.
I got it, yay! Guys, I got it. I got the anchor pencil thingy. Yeah, I do not know, guys, if you guys can see.
How much is it? How much is it?
Wait, should I try it on? Nope, yeah, I'll try it later. I'll try it later. Diba? I got this!
Yeah.
Yes! Yeah.
Jack, cut. Gusto yung ice cream sa McDo?
Ayoko. Kayo lang